ఆడి భారతదేశంలో మొట్టమొదటిసారిగా 10,000కు పైగా అమ్మకం జరిగిన కారు. ఇప్పుడు మన హైదరాబాద్లోనూ కూడా మే 19న విజయవంతంగా ఆడి షోరూంను ప్రారంభించారు. ఈ సందర్భంగా ఆడి సంస్థ ఓ కొత్త మోడల్ను మార్కెట్లోకి దించారు. ఆడి A8L అనే మోడల్లో ఉన్నతమైన డిజైన్, తక్కువ మైలేజ్, హై ఎండ్ టెక్నాలజీతో ఈ కారును తయారు చేయబడింది. దీని ధర వచ్చేసి 11,551,000 రూపాయలుండగా ఈ కారు హైదరాబాద్లోనే కాకుండా అన్ని షోరూంలలో ఇప్పుడు మనకు అందుబాటులో ఉంటుందని షోరూం మేనేజర్ తెలిపారు.
Hello everybody, welcome to Audi. Today we are having the All India first launch of the all new Audi A8L. This is a luxury sedan. It is in a league of its own, we call it. It is the epitome of luxury. The new Audi A8 which we have here today, which we are launching in Andhra Pradesh today, has got extreme features. It has got the new bold lines on the car, the new bold grille. The tail lamp has been redesigned, and we have got a wonderful new technology that has been in the car. Especially we are now talking about the matrix headlights, which you can see on the car. The matrix headlights is a highly advanced lighting system of the LED lighting system which Audi had the patent, and we were the first to introduce this in the market globally. The new matrix headlights has got a unique feature where it is made of a cluster of LED lights. As for example, if a person is passing in front of the car in a collision path, with the help of the night vision assistant, it ensures that the part of the image of the person or the person crossing the road or a motorbike crossing the road with the person on it will blink 3 times, only the part of the image. Rather, the rest of the light will still continue. The auto dimming happens automatically. And this happens by the combination of the different LEDs that are there inside the cluster, the high beam cluster, and these are sensed by cameras in the front of the bumper. If we calculate the number of permutation combination that can happen in the switching on and off the LED headlights, it is close to 1 billion combinations that can happen. Plus, the Audi new A8L takes luxury to the epitome or the next level, where we have the Rare Executive package, which is the most comfortable thing a customer, or the most luxury thing a customer can expect, with completely, the customer's expectation of luxury is fulfilled. Like we have got the rear seat massager seats, we have the Rare Executive package where the customer can stretch his legs like he is traveling in an aircraft in a first class. And also this car comes with some extreme features, like we call it as Audi exclusive, where a customer of this stature who's going to buy this car wants his car to be practically designed to his particular needs, which we call it as customization. Here the customers can customize their cars to what they want. We are offering 111 colors. Yes, you heard it right. 111 color options exterior and 21 leather trim options. So this makes a huge combination that the customer can select from. Plus, his customization can go where he can, if he wants, he can print his name on the door sills or on the headrest. He want his name or his company's logo to be printed, which is also a possibility. Even on the writing table inside the car, where he can insignate his name if required. So the customization options are infinite, near to. That's what we would term it as. Henceforth, Audi A8L is all about luxury and epitome of luxury. Thank you.
How much is the price?
The base pricing of this car basically starting from 1,15 lakhs, and this is the base price. After this, again depending on the configuration, the pricing would be made. Shortly, Audi India has already announced the launch of the new A3 sedan. It's a small sedan, smaller than the A4. We are expecting it to come in this year somewhere around quarter 3, around July, August.